Hey students, if you're looking at this, this is for how to build your first WIX website. Today I'm just going to take you through the basic requirements and how to log in and how to get started. This was the lesson plan that we did on Friday in class, but if you missed it or you need a refresher, this is for you. So first, to just show you what we need to have in the WIX site for me to check off the first okay, if you will, of getting your website set up, is if you look on the weekly presentation for this week, the very last slide here says all the requirements that you need to have. So a menu bar, a title, a background color, always hit the save button and then the publish, and then you need to copy and paste this link and email it to me with your name and hour in the title of the email. So when you log into WIX, what you're going to do first is you're going to get started because you don't have an account, and then you're going to make sure you're signing up, not here as a returning user because you're a new user. So when you sign up here, I would put your school email, and you're going to need to type it twice, and a password. Now I can't do this new part because I already have an account, but then you would hit sign up. Once you hit the sign up button, it should look something like this. So then you're going to go to what kind of a website you want to create. You're going to click blog. Okay. Then when you have these two options in front of you, you'll put create a website with the WIX editor. So you're going to choose a template. On here, it gives you lots of different templates, but what you're going to be picking is a blank template. And then you're also going to be selecting these start from scratch. So when you hit edit, it will now start building a website for you to start working on and to have as your own. And again, this will be the same site that you'll always come back to on WIX. This is your site. So now here we need to add a menu bar, a title, and also a background. Those are the three things I need to do today. So add, and I'm going to go to menu. And for menu now, you can pick any of these options. I'm just going to grab one and drag it onto my screen. Now for menu, it also said that I need to have 4 different sections. So I need to add more sections by double clicking on my menu bar. This pops up. I'm going to add a new page, which is author biography. Then I'm going to add another page, which is issues and violations. Then I'm going to add my last page, which is advertisement. If you accidentally add too many pages, this little circle thing up here lets you delete the pages. And then make sure you're clicking on your home page because that's where this is all going, on your home page. So now it says more, which means I need to slide this over so I can fit them all. Otherwise, they won't all fit. So I have my advertisement, or sorry, not my advertisement. I have my menu bar done. Now I'm going to add my title. So I'm going to go to text. You can pick any text you like here. I'm going to go with elegant title, and you drag it on. Then I double click, and now I'm going to write literature, circle, book, because that's what it says. And then I think I'll make this a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit prettier. Let's see, edit text. I might bring my font size up a little bit. Might change a little bit of the effects, maybe even the color. This will be yours to play around with. Now that I got this looking good, nice. I need to do a background, which is the last thing. So then I'm going to double click my screen, and you'll see change page background and change page design. So I'm going to click on change page background, and now I have all these really cool, all these really cool backgrounds to choose from. Okay, I'm going to use maybe, let's see, this sky one looks pretty cool, so I'm going to click on that. Now I want this to be all over and not have this white box here, so I'm going to go to change page design. And on here I'm going to click no color, which makes this transparent so that I can see all of it. Then I'm going to X out of this, and that's all I needed to do today. Now to see what you've done, you always want to hit this preview button up in the corner. So I'm going to hit preview. Oh yeah, pretty cool. So now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back to my editor. I'm going to hit save because you always want to hit save first. You can title this my site or whatever you'd like. It doesn't matter. It's going to be hyperlinked to your name, so nobody's going to see this part. Save and continue. Yay. And then up here, I'm going to go to publish. You always need to hit publish, otherwise it's not public. So I'm going to hit publish. And then this is the link right here that you want to copy and paste and send me in an email with your name and your hour. Awesome. Hopefully this made sense today, and looking forward to seeing more work.